This gentleman is poet.
Please listen to me. You are not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me. Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application. Move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. That's the rule in this court.
सोमवार को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चुनावी बॉन्ड के मसले पर सुनवाई के दौरान चीफ जस्टिस CJI चंद्रचूड़ एक सीनियर वकील पर बुरी तरह भड़क गए। उन्होंने यहां तक कह दिया कि आप मुझ पर यूं चिल्लाइए मत। आइए आपको बताते हैं कि आखिर क्यों चीफ जस्टिस का पारा हाई हो गया। दरअसल इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड केस में 2 व्यापारिक संगठन फिक्की और एसोचैम की ओर से एक आवेदन दायर किया गया था। उनकी मांग थी कि चंदा देने वाली संस्थाओं और व्यापारियों के नाम सार्वजनिक न किए जाएं। उनकी ओर से वरिष्ठ वकील मुकुल रोहतगी और मैथ्यू ने दुम्पारा पेश हुए, लेकिन चीफ जस्टिस ने साफ कह दिया कि अब फैसला हो चुका है और अब उनकी बात को यहां सुना नहीं जा सकता। ये सुनते ही वकील मैथ्यू ने दोबारा खुलकर अपनी नाराजगी जाहिर करने लगे। वो लगातार बोले जा रहे थे। उनके इस रवैये पर चीफ जस्टिस भड़क गए और कहा कि आप मुझ पर चिल्लाइए मत। अगर आपको याचिका दाखिल करनी है तो आवेदन दीजिए, हम यहाँ आपकी सुनवाई के लिए नहीं बैठे हैं।
इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन, which is the ASSOCHAM, and CI. We have filed applications today morning.
If the application is not numbered, it is not registered, we'll follow what sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. Mr. Rodhi, sorry, no oral mentioning in my court.
No, I'm not. I'm in the matter. I am saying.
We have no such application on board. Let it be circulated. We'll deal with it in the normal course.
But I am respectfully submitting.
Sorry, appearing for big clients, we will not tolerate this. You have to follow the rules in my court.
But if your lordship make an order today, my application will be infructuous. I am saying kindly defer the issue of grant of alphanumeric.
Mr. Rodgi, you are aware about the proceedings going on. You could have intervened at that stage. What is this after the judgment is passed? You want to intervene now?
No, Lord, the order is of 15th March.
No, but you are aware about the proceedings pending before this court.
But we were not parties anywhere. We were not parties at any time.
Everybody, the whole world knew that this matter was being heard.
Lord, I have
Come back 1 second, Mr. Rodgi. You come here after the judgment is delivered. You are now, you file an application. That's not the way.
Lord, I have come only in regard to 15th March. Kindly appreciate.
No, Mr.
I have no problem in declaration of the list of donors or the list of recipients.
Mr. Rodgi will not hear you right now. We have a specific application which is on board. You ask your advocate on record to follow the procedure. File an email. It will be dealt with by my registrar listing. We'll take a.
No. I am saying kindly.
If I do it for Mr. Rohatgi, senior counsel, then Mr. Rohatgi, you look at me. As Chief Justice, I have no face to tell all the other juniors to whom I declined list mentioning in the morning. What sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander.
I am not mentioning. I am not appearing in the matter and making a submission.
We have no such application on board before us.
Lord, I have got it with.
I've made myself.
My lord, the entire judgment has.
1 second. You wait. One at a time. Sorry, Mr. Rodgi. Yes.
No, my lord, my submission is the entire judgment has been rendered behind the back of the public at large. This judgment doesn't constitute justificator. This judgment doesn't constitute justificator.
1 second.
Yes.
1 second.
This judgment is poet.
Please listen to me. You are not, 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord, the question is, my lord.
There's no question you've got.
My friend has come.
Mr. Nedumbara, 1 second.
Yes.
You've got my decision as Chief Justice. We are not hearing you. If you want to file an application, move it on the email. That's the rule in this court. No further.
We will go by what your lordship.
All, please.
Whatever your lordship says, we will go by that.
Do you want another contempt notice?
No, my lord, your lordship will go by
You have
whatever
had
your
enough
lordship
submitted
says.
Bombay.
Only I have said what I wanted to say. That this judgment is rendered behind the back of the people of this country. It doesn't bind us. It doesn't constitute. It is not a representative.
Do not, please, once we have said no, please move the application by email.
What your lordship says.
Do not continue and persist.
Yes, I only said it was not a representative proceeding.